Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Here's a description of a reading room designed with light brown wood and lots of greenery, warm and earthy oasis. The room embraces a sense of tranquility with warm light brown wood as the foundation. Imagine walls painted in a soft cream or light beige that complements the natural tones of the wood. Bookshelves built from the light brown wood line the walls, their clean lines offering ample storage for your favorite novels and treasured tomes. Flourishing greenery, plants are the stars of this space. Lush greenery spills from every corner, infusing the room with life and freshness. On top of the bookshelves, cascading vines like pothos or philodendron trail down, their vibrant leaves adding pops of color. Hanging planters suspended from the ceiling showcase spider plants or ferns, their soft foliage creating a sense of movement. Floor plants like fiddle leaf figs or monstera stand tall in wicker baskets, their large leaves providing a touch of the tropics. Comfort and light, furniture invites relaxation. A plush armchair upholstered in a light olive green fabric sits nestled in a corner, beckoning you to curl up with a good book. A round coffee table with a light brown wooden top rests in front of the chair, offering a spot for your teacup and reading glasses. A large window takes center stage on one wall, allowing natural light to flood the room. Sheer white curtains diffuse the sunlight, creating a soft, inviting glow. Accents that sparkle, metallic accents add a touch of sophistication. A sleek brass floor lamp with an adjustable arm provides focused light for reading. Delicate gold picture frames showcase botanical prints or travel posters on the wall. Woven sisal rugs in warm brown tones add texture underfoot, while a cozy throw blanket draped over the armchair provides an extra layer of comfort. This light brown wood and greenery reading room design creates a haven for bibliophiles and nature lovers alike, a space that whispers relaxation and invites you to lose yourself in a world of words. Here are some reasons why designing a reading room with light brown wood and lots of green plants is a great idea. Tranquility and nature, calming effect. Light brown wood evokes feelings of nature and stability. It's a warm and inviting color that promotes relaxation, perfect for unwinding with a book. Biophilic design. Studies show that incorporating plants into our surroundings reduces stress and improves mood. The greenery brings the feeling of the outdoors in, creating a calming, rejuvenating atmosphere. Enhanced focus and ambience. Improved air quality. Plants act as natural air purifiers, removing toxins and increasing oxygen levels, which can improve focus and concentration while reading. Reduced noise. Plants can help dampen sound, creating a quieter and more peaceful environment for getting lost in a book. Aesthetics and design. Versatility. Light brown wood pairs well with a variety of green tones, allowing you to create a personalized and stylish space. Natural beauty. The combination of wood and plants creates a timeless and elegant aesthetic, lively and inviting. The greenery adds pops of color and life to the space, making it more visually interesting and inviting. Additional benefits. Low maintenance. Light brown wood is a forgiving color that hides dust well. Many houseplants are relatively low maintenance, requiring minimal care. Boosts creativity. Studies suggest that surrounding yourself with nature can enhance creativity, which might be inspiring for readers or writers. Overall, a reading room designed with light brown wood and lots of green plants fosters a sense of calm, improves focus and creates a beautiful and inviting space to curl up with a good book. Here's how to get started designing your light brown wood and greenery reading room. 1. Space and layout. Choose the room. Select a dedicated space, ideally with a window for natural light. Even a small nook or alcove can be transformed. Measure and sketch. Measure the space and make a simple sketch to plan furniture placement and bookshelf configuration. 2. Light brown wood elements. Furniture. Look for a comfortable armchair or reading chair in a light brown wood finish. Consider ottomans or footrests for added comfort. Bookshelves. Choose bookshelves made from light brown wood. Consider built-in options for a polished look or freestanding shelves for flexibility. 3. Planter power. Light needs. Research various houseplants to choose those that thrive in the room's natural light conditions. Variety is key. Mix and match plant sizes, textures, and colors. Hanging planters, trailing vines on shelves, and floor plants create visual interest. Greenery goals, consider your maintenance preferences. Air purifying plants like snake plants or peace lilies offer dual benefits. 4. Lighting and ambience, natural light. Maximize natural light by keeping windows clear and using sheer curtains. Task lighting, add a floor lamp or table lamp with an adjustable arm for focused reading light. Warm glow, consider dimmer switches or warmer toned bulbs to create a soft and inviting atmosphere. 5. Finishing touches, area rug. A woven sisal rug in warm brown tones adds texture and complements the wood and greenery. Cozy touches, throw blankets and pillows in soft greens or creams add comfort and style. Personalize, showcase your love of reading with bookends, framed quotes or artwork featuring botanical themes. Bonus tips, declutter ruthlessly, maintain a clean and organized space for optimal relaxation. Consider storage solutions, add baskets or ottomans with storage. Compartments for books, magazines, or throws. Embrace the DIY spirit, repurpose old furniture or paint existing bookshelves for a personal touch. By following these steps and incorporating your personal preferences, you can create a beautiful and serene reading room that's the perfect escape for getting lost in a good book. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.